Rub your palm, get the heat, and apply that on your face. A gentle massage to your face. Rub your eyes, slowly blink them inside. Keeping your eyes closed, come back to Namaskar Mudra. And slowly, with a smile on your face, open your eyes. Okay. Practicing, we are starting with Sukshma Vyayam. Okay. बैठे बैठे हम ग्रीवा शक्ति विकासक करेंगे. ग्रीवा शक्ति विकासक का फर्स्ट वेरिएशन. Inhale and exhale towards your right. Turn towards your right and exhale. Inhale, come back, turn towards your left while exhaling. ठीक है? Three times each side. चलो, let's begin. Inhale. Keep your hands on your knee. Exhale and go towards your right. Just focus on your breath and on the joint, Griva joint. Inhale, come back. Exhale, go towards your left. Just push it. Keep your eyes closed so that you can focus. Go slow. You're done. Three times each side. Just relax. Okay. So the next movement of Griva. Inhale and go backward as much as possible. Exhale and come forward and try to touch your chin with the sternum. Right time you will do. Focus on your breath, focus on your joint, keep your eyes closed. Once you're done, just relax yourself. We'll be doing the third variation of Griva. Inhale, exhale and tilt your neck to your shoulder. Do not raise your shoulder. Inhale, come back. Exhale, go towards your left. You are getting a side stretch on your neck. Three times, both sides. Very nice. So now the fourth variation of Griva, we will be rotating our Griva. Okay. So inhale and go towards your left. Exhale and come towards your right. Okay. Inhale and try to touch your ear, the shoulder without raising your shoulder up. इजी और रिलैक्स वे में करना है। नहीं टच हो रहा है तो डू नॉट स्ट्रेच। ओके। Okay, perfect. So I'm assuming that you have done the reverse side also. Now we'll do Bhujavalli Shakti Vikasana. So Bhuja is your shoulder. Both the hands will go together. Inhale and raise your hand, palm facing outward. Stay there. Hold your breath. Exhale and slowly come back. Inhale. Stay there. Palm facing outward. Hold your breath. Exhale. Slowly come back. 3 times more you will do. Having a hold of 10 count. Very nice. Keep doing. हथेलियां बाहर की तरफ. Stretch yourself up. Relax. Now we will do Parvatasana in sitting posture. So what you will do? Inhale and join your hands and stretch upward. Do shallow breathing. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता breathing करनी है. Deep breathing अगर नहीं होगी. Keep your eyes closed and focus on your center of the eyes, both the eyes, on the Agya Chakra. Stay there. Stretch yourself upward. ऊपर की तरफ खींचना है अपने आप को. And slowly exhale करते हुए धीरे धीरे नीचे आएंगे. One more time. Inhale and raise your hand. नमस्कार की मुद्रा ऊपर बनानी है. हाथ दोनों कान के पास से जा रहे हैं. अपने आप को ऊपर की तरफ खींचना है. Stretch yourself upward. दोनों पाम को अच्छे से चिपका देंगे. Slowly, slowly come back. Okay, very good. चलो, let's do Kati Shakti Vikasa. Stand up, everyone. Okay. दोनों पैरों के बीच में 1 फीट का डिस्टेंस ले लो, so that you can have balance. ठीक है. हैंड्स को अपने कटी से सपोर्ट के लिए रखना है. Inhale and go backward. Exhale and come forward without bending your spine. सीधा 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 नीचे आना है. And just bend it down as much as possible. Stay there. Inhale and come back. Backward. Okay. Now stay there. Hold on. Come forward now. आगे एक रस्सी है, उसको पकड़ते हुए आना है. Just assume so that you don't bend. Okay. Come forward now. Back. Okay, come forward. Straight सीधा देखना है आपको सामने. सामने देखने का. Up, front. हाँ. Yes. थोड़ा. So when you are coming in front, you need to remember that there is a let's say something is there in front of you and you're touching your nose. तो उससे आपका जो 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनेगा बीच में जाने के टाइम, and then you will bend your knee, sorry your spine. सबसे पहले आपका स्पाइन जो है लोअर एरिया से बेंड होगा, then it will go accordingly, like you know, धीरे धीरे आगे की तरफ से बेंड हो जाएगा. Okay, come forward, come back. Same Gati Shakti Vikasana, second variation, spread your leg as per your capacity. Again, hold your wrist like this. Okay, inhale, backward, exhale and come forward and go down. 5 times you will do. For 2 seconds. Every posture. Focus on your breath. Do not bend your knee. Five times, 3 times. Stay in the same position and raise your hands sideways, palm facing downward. Okay? Exhale and go towards your right. Do not fold your hands. Hands की position same रहेगी, even if you are not able to touch your leg. Do not bend your knee. Side bend करना है, forward नहीं, backward नहीं. Very good. Now inhale, come back. Exhale, go towards your left. 5 times both sides you will do. Inhale, exhale, go down. Inhale, exhale and go towards your left. Keep doing. Bend yourself in front. Keep doing. Okay. दोनों पैरों को पास में. Keep your feet together. Same thing you will do now. Inhale, exhale, turn towards your right. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn towards your left. Quick movement, fast. Okay. Very good. Rest का excess fat will get reduced with the help of this Sukshma Vyayam. Okay. Very good. चलो, so leg का अपन movement करते हैं. So just look at me. What you will do? You will raise your leg, right leg, without bending it. Okay, bending your knees and try and stretch it as much as possible, like this. 1. Okay, 5 times. 2. Yes. 3. ऊपर की तरफ पुश करना है, टच आना चाहिए हैमस्ट्रिंग और काफ मसल को। यस, 4 5, keep doing, very good। तो ये तो वेस्ट से आप होल्ड ले लो, बैलेंस नहीं बनता है। ओके, फ्रॉम द अदर लेग, 1 2 3 4, इतना स्ट्रेच कर सकते हो ऊपर की तरफ करो, डोंट बेंड योर नी। Great. Relax. Now, same thing we will do, but we will stretch it sideways. Okay. So, like this. एक बॉक्सर कैसे करता है? Will take this position and then 1. Yes. सीधा जाना चाहिए. 2 3 4. Don't bend your knee. 5. Keep doing couple of time more. हाँ, थोड़ा सा पुश करो, भड़ास निकालनी है किसी के ऊपर। चलो, फ्रॉम द अदर लेग, 1 2 3 4 5। रिलैक्स। ओके, 1 फीट का गैप ले लेंगे दोनों पैरों के बीच में। Relax yourself. Inhale and raise your hands, palm facing downward. Exhale and go down. Take a chair pose. Okay, go down और थोड़ा नीचे. Make a perfect 90-degree angle. Okay, in case you are not able to do this, take wall support. वॉल के पास जाना है आपको। Okay, and then spine को पूरा चिपका देना है and make a 90-degree angle like this. Stay in this position. Yes. और नीचे spine को सीधा चिपका दो आप। Take this wall. Stay in this position. Go down. बस, perfect. Spine को पूरा चिपका दो। आप थोड़ा और नीचे जाओ। Yes. आप भी वॉल का सपोर्ट लो। Everyone take wall support and make a 90-degree angle. आहिस्ते आहिस्ते। ओके, यहाँ पे आपने पोजीशन बटक से अपना सपोर्ट ले लिया वॉल को, एंड चिपका दो। Stay there, stay there. Slowly come back. Okay, we'll do this one more time, and then you can relax. Chalo, take a position, or you'll do without wall this time. Okay, let's do without wall now. Inhale, exhale, and go down. At least ये वाला पोर्शन आपका सीधा होना चाहिए। Okay, and go back. Look back. Yes. Okay, good. Relax. अभी हम लोग अपने टो पे आएंगे। Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Very good. All right. चलो, तो अभी स्टैंडिंग में हम ताड़ासन करें। 1 फीट का डिस्टेंस, थोड़ा सा अंदर ले लो आप। एग्जैक्ट अपना जो फीट है ना, उतना ही डिस्टेंस। इंटरलॉक योर फिंगर। ओके, इनहेल करते हुए जस्ट रेज योरसेल्फ अपवर्ड एंड गो ऑन योर टोज। टोज के ऊपर आना है। लुक इन फ्रंट। कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट को देखो, सामने जो भी दिख रहा है आपको, and stay there. Stretch upward, ऊपर की तरफ खींचना है अपने आप. Stay there, stay there, stay there. 5 more count. 1, 2, 3. Stretch upward. 4, 5. Slowly exhale करते हुए हाथों को नीचे, पैर को नीचे. Come down. So when we are doing Tadasana, you are, coming on your toes. ऊपर की तरफ हमारे श्वास लेते हैं. Okay? And fingers interlock करके आपको अपने आप को सामने की तरफ stretch करते हुए ऊपर लेके जाना. Like this, and make this position. One more time, and this time 15 count. Nobody will come down from the position. So you be holding this asana for 15 count. चलो, interlock your finger. Inhale करते हुए toes पे खड़ा होना है. Raising your hands upward. Stay there for 15 count. 1, 2, 3. Focus in front. 4, 5, 6. सामने की तरफ देखना है. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch upward. 5, and slowly exhale करते हुए slowly. Very good. Relax.
Johnny uठो.
Fine. So we've done Tadasana. Vrikshasana we are not going to perform. अभी हम ना हस्तोत्तानासन करने वाले हैं. Sorry, कटी चक्रासन करने वाले हैं. Ardha Chakrasana. So we are doing Ardha Chakrasana. Just have a gap of 1 feet between your feet. Okay. Hold your waist like this. Inhale करते हुए go backward. Exhale करते हुए आगे की तरफ आना है. ठीक है? Just do it now. Inhale and go backward. Stay there for 5 count. Yourself you will be counting 5. Stay there. And exhale करते हुए slowly you will come back. Easy. Lie down here. शवासन में लेटाओ. बैकवर्ड बेंडिंग का थोड़ा कम है ना, इसमें होता है. Relax yourself. Okay, great. So she's fine. इनको है ना फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग करना है. पानी पिला दो खाली. Now everyone lie down on your stomach. दोनों पोज करेंगे. Focus on your breath. मकरासन की पोजीशन ले लेंगे. मकरासन इज दिस. एंड अपने जो राइट साइड की तरफ टिल्ट होके आपको बैठ जाना है. रिलैक्स. थोड़े से पैरों को फैला लो आप. This is the position I am expecting from all of you. And relax yourself. Keep your eyes closed. This is Makarasana. Makarasana is Magar और Magar is crocodile. Crocodile का जो पोस्टर है वो हमने लिया है. पड़ा एकदम सोया पड़ा रहता है, but he is like aware about the situation. We also have to be like that. We are silent, but we know everything. जागृत अवस्था. Now the other variation we are going to do, Makarasana. Bring your feet together and you will be putting your chin with both the palm. और जो हाथ है वो दोनों 90 डिग्री के एंगल में रहने चाहिए. You are getting a stretch or a bend at the lower spine and also at the neck area. Cervical. Stay there. I hope it's visible to all of you. Yeah. Keep your eyes closed now. Relax in the other variation of Makarasana. Now we will be doing Sarpasana, snake pose. Okay? So आपको क्या करना है? Just bring your palm next to your head. Okay? और bend करना है उनको. Raise while inhaling, but do not unfold your this what do you call elbow. Okay? Keep elbow on the ground and just come backward. Inhale करते हुए पीछे आना है. Yes, very good. इतना आ सकते हो without unfolding your elbow. खाली हाथ का सपोर्ट अज्यूम करना है, ऐसा नहीं कि पूरे उसके ऊपर टिके रहो. Getting the support of your head. Exhale and go down. We will do this one more time with 10 count. साथ में करेंगे. Inhale and go backward. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Okay. Very good. Three. Yes. 5 more count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly exhale करते हुए चिक. Snake pose हमने किया. Now let's do Bhujangasana. बड़ा वाला सांप. Okay. So bring your palm next to your chest. Chest के पास लेके जाएंगे आप अपने दोनों पाम. पोजीशन सेम रहेगी. Instructions carefully सुनना and then you will do. Inhale करते हुए backward bend लेना है. But मेरा elbow है ना पूरा straight नहीं हुआ है. Because we have to unbend ourselves up till here, half of my area. ठीक है ना? मेरा जो कटी जहाँ खत्म होता है, मेरा spine जहाँ खत्म होता है, वहां तक ही मुझे backward bend लेना है. That's all. Shoulders backward रहेंगे. Chest out and something. Exhale and go down. चलो, let's do it now. Start. Inhale. Elbow अंदर की तरफ. Very good. Stay there. पीछे की तरफ पुश करने की कोशिश करो. Without lifting your body, आप पीछे की तरफ पुश करो अपने आप. Yes. Shoulder backward. Yes. Perfect. Stay there. Okay. Very nice. Slowly exhale when we will go down. This is one of the best asana for your back pain. If you're facing this problem, then this is the asana you should be practicing. चलो, one more time. Palm next to your chest, chin on the ground, head. Very good. सर का इंजरी है क्या? आई एम अज्यूमिंग एवरीवन इज डूइंग वेरी गुड. क्या बात है योगिता जी, आपने एकदम होल्ड पे होल्ड. अपर्णा वेरी गुड, गुड बैंड. हाँ, परफेक्ट. होने के बाद मकरासन में रिलैक्स करो. Now we are going to perform Shalvasan. Shalvasan is cactus pose. Cactus आपने देखा होगा, नहीं देखा है तो अभी अपन करके दिखाते हैं. ठीक है. So lie down like this. पाम जो है ना वो आपके थाइस के नीचे आपको शिफ्ट करना है. ओके, पैरों को साथ में रखना है एंड इनहेल करते हुए आपको दोनों पैर साथ में ऊपर लिफ्ट करना विदाउट बेंडिंग योर नी. Palm facing on the ground so that you get a support while lifting. So like this. And stay there. Slowly exhale करते हुए नीचे आना है. करेंगे. Lift straight. Lower back पे आपको एक पेन स्ट्रेच मिलेगा. Very good. Slowly lift it. Very nice. Everybody is doing super. ऊपर की तरफ पुश करने की कोशिश जारी रहेगी. Slowly, slowly you will come down. एकदम से पैरों को नीचे नहीं डालोगे. मकरासन ले लो, मकरासन का पोस्चर ले लो. Relax yourself. Just feel the stretch. जहां पर भी आपको स्ट्रेच मिला है उसको फील करो. Focus on that particular stretch, keeping your eyes closed. Okay, now lie down on your back. उल्टा लेट जाओ, सीधा लेट जाओ. I mean, supine pose. स्पाइन पर लेटना है आप. दोनों पैरों को फैला लेंगे. We will do couple of more asan. By that time, you can lie down in Shavasana. Relax yourself. Focus on your breath. For 5 more seconds. Okay, now join your leg. पास में ले आओ दोनों पैरों को. हाथों को भी पास ले आएंगे आप. Next to your hip. Okay, facing downward. Now we'll do Uttanpadasana, lifting your leg up without bending. Okay, दोनों पैरों को सीधा सीधा आपको 1 फीट की डिस्टेंस पर उठाना है बस. इनहेल करते हुए. We'll do this now. Inhale and raise your both legs for 1 feet. That's all, and stay there. Hold. Stay there, stay there, stay there. And slowly you will come down. Slowly, very nice. Easy में गए हो उतना ही easily you are supposed to come out from the asana and try and hold it for the maximum time. Then the benefit will be on a higher side. So we'll do it again. Inhale, raise it for 1 feet. उतना ही रेज करना है कि आप अपने टोज को देख पाओ आंखों के सामने आपके टोज रहेंगे. That is the height. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Now slowly come down. Relax. One more time. Same asana with longer hold. दोनों पैरों के साथ में inhale करते हुए raise your legs up by 1 or maximum 2 feet. Stay there. 10 count आपको रुकना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you will go slowly, come down, slowly, 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 slowly. Yes. Perfect. Relax now. Deep breathing हो गई आपकी. फील करो. Just focus. Breath is reaching up till your stomach. We are going to do Ardha Halasana. Half plug pose. ठीक है. इसमें आपको क्या करना है? Inhale करते हुए दोनों पैरों को 90 डिग्री के एंगल में लेके जाना है विदाउट लिफ्टिंग योर बटक. Do not bend your knee. Very good. मैम का करो. Yes, stay there. थोड़ा सा पुश करने की कोशिश करो अपने साइड में. टोस को. Stay there. Very nice. Perfectly done. Slowly, slowly exhale करते हुए धीरे 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 बाहर का सपोर्ट लेके आपको नीचे. Perfect. Keep doing one more time. पैरों को सीधा सीधा ऊपर लेके जाना है. Stretch it. Yes. Even if you are seeing a small bend in your knee, try to straighten that. Stay there. Okay. Come down, relax. Now we will do Pavan Muktanasana. Pavan is air, Mukta means releasing, air releasing posture. पैरों को सीधा करके बेंड करेंगे नी से, पीठ को आप अपने बटक के पास लेके आएंगे, दोनों पैरों को साथ में फोल्ड किया है आपने, वेरी गुड। फीट ऑन द ग्राउंड। ना आगे की तरफ फॉरवर्ड होते हुए आपको अपने फिंगर्स को इंटरलॉक करके दोनों नीज को पकड़ना है। Now go down. Bring your knees and touch them to your chest. और अपने चिन को नी पे टच करना। Hey there. Hey there. 10 more count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. चिन को पीछे लो, कर्स को अनलॉक करो एंड पैरों को फीट को वापस अनफोल्ड करके सीधा चलो। One more time, same thing. Hold your knee, feet on the ground. आगे की तरफ बैठ होकर आपको इंटरलॉक करना है अपने नीज को हाथों से, bring them to your chest, फीट को आगे फॉरवर्ड करके टच करना है नीज को, stay in the position, very good. Now roll yourself up down, पूरा स्पाइन पे आपको अपने आप को रोल करना है, move yourself. हाफ टायर, तो स्पाइन पे रोल होना चाहिए, फ्रॉम सर्वाइकल टू लंबर। और रिलीज योर पोस्चर, relax, release the posture now, और आराम से पैरों को फैला दें, आगे चलेंगे। वेरी गुड, शवासन में आ जाओ, रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ, ब्रीथिंग के ऊपर ध्यान दो, डू नॉट ट्राई टू ऑल्टर इट, जस्ट बिकम अ गेटकीपर। Your feet together, again fold them, but this time we are doing Markatasana. दोनों हाथों को साइड में फैला ले, we are giving a twist to our spine, पैर साथ में रहेंगे, bend it and turn towards your left and you are looking into your right. Markatasana. Okay, you're giving us twist twisting through your spine. पूरा completely आपका जो upper body है वो grounded है. Stay there, stay there. The knees को नीचे push करने की कोशिश करो ground पे, without raising your hand or shoulder. Inhale and come back. Exhale and go towards your right, keeping it in your left side. वो नीचे ग्राउंड पे टच करने की कोशिश करेंगे. जो राइट नी है वो completely the ground along with the feet. Shoulder is completely touching on the ground, both the shoulder. There. Sara is asking सबको. Assume that. Okay, come back. Dono side, we will do one time more. Go towards your left. Stay there. अपने को जैसे निचोड़ते हैं वैसे ये you are giving a twisting to your spine. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा twist मिलनी चाहिए. Upper body on your right. On your left. Now try and touch your shoulder on the ground, right shoulder on the ground, and left knee on the ground at the same time. Push them both. आपका राइट वाला शोल्डर ग्राउंड को टच कर रहा है, लेफ्ट वाली नी ग्राउंड को टच कर रहा है. वेरी गुड. दोनों घुटने साथ में रहेंगे. वो the knees are touching themselves, each other. Back. And same thing you will do towards your right. दोनों घुटने साथ में, touching on the floor, shoulder touching on the floor. You are looking on your left side. Okay, come back. Relax in Shavasana. Just watch your breath. Do not alter it. Do not change it. Let it go like it is going right now. Focus on your right leg fingers. Just watch them. Feel the movement, if any. Just on your right feet. Feel the air touching your feet, right side. Focus on your right leg, ankle joint inside, and just watch that. Get your focus to your calf, right leg. Keep in touch. Right. Feel the sensation. Anything. Bring your focus on your eyes. Eyes. Keep right leg. Leg. पर leg आपका right leg. Now you will shift your focus to your left leg. Use of left leg. Left feet. There, touching your feet. Left ankle. वाला joint में left calf muscle. ये वाला now shift your focus on your knee. Or thighs, thigh muscle of your left leg. the touch of ground. Focus on common behavior. Not alter your breath, just watch coming up, down. Try and feel a beat sound and navel, abhinayami. Chakra, chakra, see that your abdominal organs are perfectly functioning. They are at healthy state. Yes, but digestion is area. Heart, feel the heart. Heart is at a healthy state. Happy state. Focus on your lungs. Yeah, expanding and squeezing. Lungs are working perfectly fine. Maximum Shift your focus on your right hand. Curves of your right hand. Right palm. Just feel there. Palm. Palms and elbow. के ऊपर लगा लेके जाएंगे. Now arms, right hand arms. Right shoulder. Focus on your left shoulder. Focus on left hand fingers. Left palm. Not change. Just focus. And observe. Arms. Left hand. Arms. And focus on the complete left hand. Your focus to the side and just watch. And feeling the full effect when the oxygen is down. Maybe the trachea, the oxygen, carbon dioxide is coming out. That area. Just focus. Shift your focus on your face. It's they are dry or soft, whatever. Just tip of the nose. Now both nostrils not be open. Feel the coolness and oxygen. This carbon dioxide coming out. If your focus eyes, just watch inside, keeping your eyes closed, whatever you can see that object. You center, eye to center, Yagya Chakra. Focus on your ear, right ear, and left ear. The ear together. Just hear the sound, any you are hearing, and anything, my voice. Traffic, birds, your voice, sound. Now slightly move your leg, slightly your palm, and turn towards your left and sit down, keeping your eyes closed. दोनों हाथों का सपोर्ट लेके you will turn towards your left, sit down, holding your leg. Eyes will be closed, hands will be on the knees. We will chant Om for 3 times. You can join me. You can chant along with me. मेरे साथ में ही आपको बोलना है. Inhale. A, one more time in A. Just feel the sound. Mind is relaxed, calm, happy. Start mudra. Bring your hands together. Join them. We are thanking the God. We are thanking the nature for giving us this day. Now you will rub your palms. दोनों palm को एक curve करना है. Get the energy and give a massage to your face. Slowly, just give massage to your entire face. Ears, forehead, eyes, hips. Cup your eyes with the help of your palm and blink them inside. Keeping your eyes closed, you will come back to Namaskar Mudra. With a smile on your face, you slowly open your eyes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining this session. I hope you all enjoyed.